Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the custom seat covers in this 2020 Toyota Tundra Crew Max. Awesome looking set of seat covers inside here. Multi-camo for the insert and trim in our Bronze series. Great looking set, transform this interior of this vehicle. Let's check them out. All right guys, so let's check out this fabric. This is the multi-camo fabric. It's a 600 denier canvas, waterproof, durable, tight fit on here. You can see it's a little more breathable than leathers and simulated leathers, and it's a little more durable too. So it's gonna be waterproof and just great for the dogs, getting in here with gear and your hunting and fishing trips, and just a great protection for your vehicle. Now the insert and the trim are out of the multi-camo fabric, and you can see that is all matched up, looking good there. The headrest is out of the multi-camo fabric, and we did the rear seats too out of that fabric, so just all trimmed out really nice. So now you could do a two-tone fabric, so if you want to do like a black canvas insert or a black trim, that's available as well. That can look really nice. In this vehicle, the customer wanted to go full camo, so we went full camo with it and it turned out really nice here. Let's check out this headrest cover. You can see again, custom fit for that headrest, nice and tight fitting. Trims out really nice around these sections right here where the headrest goes into the backrest there. All just turned out really nice, and in that multi-camo pattern, just really nice looking headrest cover right there. So here is the bottom cover. This is the driver bottom cover, multiple panels. So here's that outside panel here, inside panel right here. And again, we went full camo with this, the multi-camo print, and just nice looking set, custom fit. You can see how it trims out around here, tucks into that plastic trim right there. I have a full install video teaching you how to install all of these covers, so don't worry about the install. We take care of that. Instructional video for you so you can see how to get them on. They just pull on top of these seats. They're meant to protect the original seats. This customer had leather underneath here, and this is to protect his leather because his leather was starting to wear out on this driver's side, and he really didn't want to have to replace this driver bottom seat. That was going to get expensive if he had to replace this seat. So we got covers on here protecting that leather now. Now this vehicle, it has bucket seats with a center console that has storage in it. Now this particular year of Tundra in the Bronze series, the console lid cover is not available. In the Gold series it would be available, and in some newer patterns, newer vehicles in the Bronze series, console lid covers are available. But if it was a 40-20-40, so let's say there was a 20 section that lifts up to a seat, okay, that's a bench seating, 40-20-40, then that would be covered now. But just since this one was a hard console right here, it's uncovered, but it's a gray pattern, or it's a gray color, gray leather, and so it goes well with this multi-cam in here as well. And there's a lot of blacks in here, and the multi-camo pattern blends nice with these blacks. Now both the driver and passenger sides are going to have a rear map pocket, just nice for your smaller bags or your jackets, other gear that you may want to have. You know, on the back side here, just a standard map pocket on the back side here, and that's trimmed out in the multi-camo pattern out of the same fabric. It has a thin foam backing to it as well. All of this fabric does, it's a thinner foam backing, but the foam backing is nice, guys, because it helps conform the seat covers to the seats a little bit better. But I like these map pockets, just gonna mimic your OEM pockets, so that way you can store a little bit more gear when you're traveling backside here. One thing I want to point out here, guys, is look at the steep contour of these shoulders of this seat. Only way you get a fitment like this is when you're doing a true custom fit seat cover that fits to your exact year, make, model seats. Because look how steep that is. It cuts down right there. This is called a recessed headrest, where the headrest recesses down into the shoulders of the backrest right there. And it just fits so nice having it truly custom fit for that seat. All right guys, now we're on the rear seat. This is the Crew Max, so it's the full-size cab, the largest cab that Toyota offers. And this is a 60-40 rear seat with an armrest. There's 3 headrests, and the 60-40 means that the 60 section that I'm sitting on is a larger seat that folds independently from the 40 section. Now the 60 section here It does have an armrest that folds down, so there's gonna be a separate armrest cover for that. As you can see here, that has its own cover there. The cup holders are still accessible, so you can still use those cup holders. And then this pops back up in here, and you can see there's a cutout right here in the Bronze series. That's how that works, is there's a cutout right there around that armrest cavity, so the armrest can push in, pull back out like that, right there. Okay, so full coverage. That way, dogs in and out, gonna keep all the seats protected, looking good right there. Now the 40 section, as I mentioned, that flips up independently. So I'm gonna flip that up just so you can see what this is gonna look like. When that seat flips up, that has a bottom coverage section to it. So multi-camo fabric on the bottom, gonna be waterproof, durable, tight fit here as well. So as you get imagine getting in here with your wet dog after hunting, the dog jumps in. Originally there's carpet under here, and that carpet gets so messy and hard to clean. So having a good seat cover like this that's easy to clean, can be a lot easier to wipe your truck down after those messy rides. So that'll pop back down. There's cutouts for all of the seats to fold and function just how they normally should. And that's all taken care of. Also the seat belt and child seat attachment bars, all of that is still gonna work. And so there's cutouts for all of that. Safety's kept in mind in the building of all these covers, so everything is gonna function how it should. Now, I wanna show you the headrest as well. So there's gonna be 3 individual headrests. They all need their own headrest covers because they're different sizes. So this middle headrest right here, that pops up. You can see how that pops up right there. That's gonna have its own cover here. And guys, that's the only way to really get things to fit right, is if you order a true custom fit, year, make, model fit to your vehicle. And then it's gonna get this type of fitment where it's just nice and tight fitting and not gonna move around. So annoying having seat covers that shift around on you. You don't want that. Get a custom fit seat cover from us. It's gonna fit on nice and tight to your vehicle. So there's that small headrest, the outside headrest. Again, they have their own covers as well there. Everything just locks down nice and tight. I have a full install video teaching you how to install all of these covers, but turned out really nice, and this customer's ready for some messy rides with his dog and kids, and they're good to go, and the seats are gonna be all protected. Thanks for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Go to coversandcamo.com to check us out, to see more sets like this, or to build seat covers for your vehicle. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, cars, SUVs, and UTVs, with really the focus on those trucks and UTVs. So check us out at coversandcamo.com.